What if I told you that you're probably losing thousands of dollars every year without even realizing it? That's right. These hidden habits are quietly draining your bank account fast. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 10 budget hacks that actually work. You'll end up saving thousands. Let's get started. Here is the ultimate game changer, budget backwards. Many people begin their budget by listing their expenses first. Instead of listing your expenses first, start with your financial goals. Want to save $5,000 this year? That's about $96 a week. Plug that in first, then adjust your lifestyle around that number. This ensures that saving is a priority, not an afterthought. Next, negotiate your bills. Many people assume that monthly bills are fixed, but this is not always the case. Whether it is your internet provider, insurance company, or phone contract, it is worth calling and asking for better rates. Companies often have promotional offers or loyalty discounts that you might not be aware of. Just making that one phone call can knock $10 to $20 off per month, which is up to $240 a year, all for 5 minutes of effort. Also, be flexible too. Don't be afraid to change providers to save cash. Let's talk about one of the most overlooked money leaks, subscriptions. If you've got Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, Apple TV, Disney Plus, and maybe a random fitness app or two, you could be spending over $70 a month. That's $840 a year, gone. The fix? Cancel the ones you haven't used in 30 days. Trust me, you won't even miss them. You can also use a free tool like Rocket Money to track your subscriptions. One of the most effective ways to take control of your finances is to know exactly where your money is going. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or budgeting app to record everything. This helps you to plug the leaks in your budget. Now here's a real budget hack. Switch to a cashback debit card instead of credit if you want to avoid debt but still earn rewards. Some cards like Discover Cashback Debit offer 1 to 2% back on purchases. If you spend $1,500 a month on essentials, that's up to $360 a year just for using your own money. You can even use this extra cash to pay off bills and other expenses. Fifth hack, if you use Amazon a lot to make purchases, here's a golden hack. Add items to your cart, but don't check out. Within 24 to 48 hours, you may receive a discount email or price drop notification. It's like Amazon negotiating with itself, and you win. Okay, let's break down one of the biggest household expenses, groceries. The average household throws away 31% of the food they buy. That's nearly $3 in the trash. So this is what you need to do instead. Meal plan for the week and shop with a list. When you shop without a list, you are more likely to pick up items you do not need. Also, buy generic brands when possible as they're generally cheaper than popular brands. Never shop hungry. Seriously, you'll overspend by up to 60% if you do through impulse buying. Budget hack number 7. Consider downgrading your phone plan. Most of us pay for unlimited everything when we only use half of it. Switching from a $75 plan to a $30 plan could save you over $500 annually with almost no lifestyle change. Now let's talk side hustles. This isn't about working harder, but smarter. Take one skill, like writing, and sell your services on platforms like Upwork. Making just $50 a week adds up to $2,600 a year. That extra income can fast-track your savings goals. Learning how to do a few simple skills such as fixing a leaking tap, sewing, or patching up a wall can save money over time. With free resources available online and in libraries, gaining these skills has never been more accessible. Hack number 9 is a big one. Create a 72-hour rule for any non-essential purchase. Want those $100 sneakers? Write it down. Wait 72 hours. If you still want them and can afford them without dipping into savings, go for it. But you'll be surprised how often the impulse disappears. This hack alone can save you hundreds in impulse spending every year. And finally, automate your savings like it's a bill. The principle of paying yourself first is a timeless financial rule. Most people wait until the end of the month to see what's left to save, but by then it's too late. Instead, set up your bank to automatically move a small amount, like $50 or $100, into a high-yield savings account every payday. Over 12 months, even just saving $50 bi-weekly adds up to $1,300 painlessly. You don't need to cut every expense to build wealth. You just need the right strategy. These 10 budget hacks are small shifts, but they can lead to massive long-term gains if you stick with them. The truth is, saving money isn't about being cheap. It's about being smart. These 10 budget hacks might seem small on their own, but together, they can completely shift how you handle your money and how much of it you actually keep. So if you're tired of wondering where your paycheck goes, start using just one of these hacks today. Your future self will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos that help you make smarter money moves every week. Thanks for watching. See you the next video.